Hey y'all, John from Roxton Industries here. I'm super excited today to take you through the process of making your own DIY disinfecting wipes for your home or your business. Let's get right to it. So before we get started, you're probably wondering why you should use wipes like these. You probably have a roll of paper towel sitting around somewhere at home that you could use. Don't do that. Roxton's DIY wipes compact with 160 6-inch by 7-inch center feed dry wipes in a reusable plastic container with a resealable top to keep in moisture and maintain integrity. Using cut rolls of paper towel or toilet tissue even can leave remnants on surfaces and provide a less than desirable performance when compared to Roxton DIY wipes. Roxton DIY wipes are made from quality spunlace non-woven fabric with extreme absorbency, strong toughness, and they maintain a soft feel without leaving lint. So before we get into making our own DIY disinfecting wipes, a quick disclaimer because I am by no means a chemist as much as my mother would like me to be one. Of course, always read and follow the label or the SDS sheet when you're working with any type of cleaning or disinfecting product, and never ever mix chemicals, as there can be severe consequences and adverse effects to mixing chemicals yourself. So let's get right into it. The first thing we're going to want to do is put on whatever PPE is required by the disinfectant we're going to be using. We are going to use our very own concrobium disinfectant, and we actually don't need to use any PPE for that. The next step is to measure out exactly 1,000 milliliters of our disinfecting solution, and then we're going to slowly but surely pour it over the DIY disinfecting wipes in the canister, very slowly, to ensure that there's no spillage, there's no overflow, just to make sure that they're perfectly saturated when it all goes in. And that's as easy as it gets. You now have your own Roxton DIY disinfecting wipes.